Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. Check this out, 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. What a cool example. This is in Cameo White, and it originally sold at Ray Faro Pontiac in Elyria, Ohio, I believe is how you pronounce it. I probably mispronounced that properly. But this has the Ram Air 3 400 V8, 366 horsepower. The price on the sticker is pretty cool. It's $4,467.61, and that's a picture or a copy of the original window sticker. What a cool car, the Judge. So 69 was a unique year, a new design year. They got rid of the vent windows. Also, the steering column had the ignition in the steering column. That was the first year for that. Plus, headrests. So Pontiac came out with that a year before it was mandated. Pretty cool stuff. And there's the window sticker that I was talking about. And it was inspired, the Judge was inspired by Flip Wilson. All you old guys remember Here Comes the Judge, Here Comes the Judge by Flip Wilson. That's another pretty cool thing. And I'm going to go around to the back of the car and show the rear spoiler. So I was talking to another gentleman that had a 68 Pontiac. Something I didn't know, if you look at that rear spoiler, this was a 1 year only. The problem was if you had your hand on the quarter panel and closed the deck lid with that rear spoiler, you'd bust your knuckles. So this was a 1 year only rear spoiler that they had on the 69 Pontiac GTO. Something I did not know. Pretty cool stuff. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks again for watching, and like, subscribe, leave a comment.